25-20 in favor of the underdogs here. USD is twice to beat. Adamson, if they lose today, will start their early vacation, but they stave off. Well, not stave off, but they win set number 1, so they need 2 more sets to force a rubber match against USD. But of course, USD, they're not the defending champions for nothing, as you see some of the highlights of that set. It was an early lead for USD. They led by as much as 5 points. That was when Adamson, their defense and their offense were still not solid. Pero once they got their defense in place, things started to roll for the Soaring Falcons.
That's right. You're right. In fact, it was a 6-point lead, and all of a sudden they tied it and they just ran away with it. And it started with good defense over at the net. I think that was a crucial part of this first set. When they controlled Depante 6 consecutive times. Depante, again, as we mentioned in the pregame, is the #1 option of USD, but after giving him those, getting those blocks on Depante, Adamson just went straight and won that set. Their offense followed soon afterwards. So makikita natin na this Adamson squad, when they have their defense going over at the net, over at the floor defense, it's so very hard for them to be denied. 14 attacks for USD, only 12 for Adamson, and the rest of those stats favoring Adamson. This will be a tough second set. I presume USD, with the way they're receiving the ball, that's their main problem right now, Eric. They have to improve on their reception.
It seems like in the latter half of set number 2, USD just lost that defensive intensity, and their offense slowly crumbled nung tumindi naman yung depensa ng Adamson. Ano?
John Maliatre, first serve.
Well, set number 2 underway. USD starting off like they did in set number 1 with Arbasto scoring a point.
Middle attack there for Arbasto.
But he was quieted by the defense of Adamson in that crucial final stretch of set number 1, ano?
Yeah. Nabantayan na rin.
Oh, Galang, that's off him, pero great save.
Ooh!
Pero yung third touch ni Pagtalunan,
that's right,
tumulas ang bola.
Wow, that was a rare error from Pagtalunan. Good save, but ito na. And it was time for Pagtalunan to send it over. Called for that 2-touch violation.
Alfafara. Oh, what a block. Pagtalunan and Jardin combining for that.
Wow. I'm amazed at the 2 blockers of Adamson over at this side. Always. Whether it's Alfafara or Depante, walang nakakalusot na bola doon.
Poor reception. Alfafara results in a free ball. Ooh. But Galang unable to close it out. The second best scorer in the league. Medyo napalakas, nagigil yata sa palo.
Anthony Arbasto serving for USD.
Ooh, nice play there from Competente. 3 blockers went up with him. Nowhere for him to hit it. So what he did, he just set it over and got that point with a drop.
Goes to show you how smart these Adamson players are. They don't force the issue. They really look at the type of defense they're going up against and then play, accordingly.
Yes, that's right. And that's a sign of a good coach team, no? Pag nakikita mo na yung players mo really look at the situation. Hindi mo na kailangan every time na tutukan. And
kaya nga nung timeout kayo, nagulat ako nung 24-20, akala ko gagawa ng play, which is what we usually see sa women's. Magdo-draw up ng play. Dito mo isa-set, ito papalo. Pero si Coach Custodio, wala, ano?
Yeah. Easy lang. Sinabi niya lang niya, I don't want it to happen. Remember, we still need 1.2 in this set. That's what they did after the timeout. Oh, nice from Depante.
What an angle on that shot, and that's not coming back. I don't care how great you are a player. When the ball is across the floor about 6 feet.
It was impossible at that point.
5-7-2.
USD off to a good start again in this set. They lead by 3.
That's outside.
Side shot, Competente.
No touch from the block from Competente.
Almost
Yeah.
an identical start, no? For these two teams in a different set.
Alfafara.
Oh, poor reception
Poor reception.
from Adamson's libero, Gilbert Longavela. He had a few also in the first set, but maybe that's their strategy.
Ball from behind.
Alam ba yan? 5, isa pa. Kailangan 6
Yeah, that was
lamang.
yung biggest deficit nila nung set number 1 was 6 against USD.
Uh-huh.
Ramos to Depante. Ayun, 6 na.
Off the block.
Okay. Now's the time to run.
8-2. And USD off to a good start here in set number 2 against Adamson.